Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina Debbarma and I make lifestyle vlogs and it's day 3 in Shillong. So let's go ahead and have our breakfast. Regular day, same routine. Breakfast. Everybody does start with breakfast, ain't it? It's raining, drizzling here in Shillong today. So we are on our way to the restaurant and look at this. Hello, good morning. That's the way they say good morning to us. Good morning. Good morning. Breakfast for today, it's paratha and some sabji with onion and pyaz. Amada, chandelier. Also,
like that,
chandelier.
chandelier to cái Kokborok itu
She to cover with them to tong ban.
Bangla itu Zumar tuh kamu
Jumar eh.
Zumar sih na Hindi baca Zumar kamu baca Zumar sopan sopan play night bang sopan most of the film kan masih
So we are having a table tennis match here behind. See, this is our Bubagra's big hill and the war that they went to before, and they're playing. Hello guys. Hello. Ang sige ko, mas mathiya ko bro, mas tingko. Here's our handsome Bubagra.
hello
मैं कभी नहीं खेला.
try करो
हाँ. Hello. Now you can see Bubagra play pro. अभी खेलेंगे हमारा Bubagra. मैच देखते रहना कितना हीटेड होगा. देखो मस्त हो रहा है. Yes. Yes. अभी हमारा बुबागरा और अंकल का मैच चल रहा है. इंटेंस मैच, मगर अंकल कर नहीं पा रहे. ये दारोनेल पूरा वहाँ पर बॉल पकड़ने के लिए खड़े हो गए हैं. Hey Dan, yes. That na? Serious game da. So we are having a very serious match here.
yes 1-0 yes
Missing ka?
3-4
3-4.
yes yeah yes 7-6
Tul amal.
yeah
Oh.
7-0 yes 10-8 me 9-10-9
Ini GoPro tamo thêm khả năng.
18-10. How much? Who is going?
19-10
Oh.
थोड़ा अभी ग्रुप में आ गया ना
हाँ. Tasing lagi cuma si uncle.
11-19 my service
Serious, Bubagra is getting so serious. Yes.
20-11 match point
Hey, Langru. Good come. Good boy, come here. So our match is done, and guess who won? One and only our great Maharaja. He's an all-rounder. He knows all the games, and क्यों ऐसे थोड़ी ना महाराजा बनते हैं, सब में एक्सपर्ट होना पड़ता है और ऑल-राउंडर होना पड़ता है. और हम अभी प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हम जाएंगे पुलिस बाज़ार में, थोड़ा सा शॉपिंग करेंगे, थोड़ा सा घूमेंगे और मेरे साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे. हाँ, और अभी हम थोड़ा घूमने जाएंगे दारोनेल के साथ. थोड़ा सा त्रिपुरा कैसल घूमेंगे.
बारिश भी आ रहा है.
हाँ, हर दिन बारिश होता रहता है यहाँ पे, रुकने का नाम नहीं लेता. Now we are going to roam around Shillong, and also we are going to check out my mom's old hospital, like where she used to work, called Robert Hospital. So stay along with us. And Khasi, Ki means Hindi, and let's go. And Ki in my language means who? Malik over there, Khasi there.
Amade, napangde, napang amose, Nepali, Baratari,
मणिपुरी होटल बस कहाँ से
Okay. So we have reached Manipuri restaurant in
Manipur hotel there.
Actually, Manipuri food is very much identical to Tripuri food, so that's the reason we have come searching here for Manipuri restaurant. So we have reached Manipuri restaurant, Hunga restaurant. I'm so happy. My mom is very happy. She's going to eat Manipuri food. Wow. Sadly, the restaurant is closed and we're going to eat in a Khasi restaurant now. We are very sad because we came from far away to eat Manipuri food, but we are so unlucky. We are going for this one. This is my first time having Khasi food. Let's check how it tastes. We are just done with our food and now we are going for a tour. So we have reached Warts Lake. For the very first time I'm coming to Warts Lake. Here with the
Tiprasa.
name? Christina. So beautiful. Hey guys, we are here in Warts Lake, Shillong. And look at this beautiful park. You have some, you can see some swans there, not swan or duck, white duck. I don't know whether you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom it for you. We also have a place for doing the boating and everything. First time for me, first time for the David. My mom went to pay for the camera, 50 rupees for camera. So we are done with our tour. Here nothing much, just I think it's the best place to come for jogging and everything. It's very sweet, nice. That's beautiful ducks here. So there is a different route to exit. We're not supposed to exit from the entrance gate. So we have just exited from Quartz Lake. Bianca, where's our driver? Bijoy Jamatia. और एग्जिट खाने बगई एग्जिट करने के लिए हमको कितना घूमना पड़ा आप लोग को अंदाज़ा नहीं है। ये बोटैनिकल गार्डन I think it's closed because of lockdown. It's the botanical garden. Some papad, rice, and
और एक प्लेट चाहिए यहाँ पे, one more plate.
potatoes and chicken.
यहाँ पे हमारा
This is khapa.
Chicken thapa.
This is not how khapa is made, but thing. Because this is more gravy. No? Khapa should be more
Thicker.
thick, dry. You're a garo, you know. You should complain, no? Justice to you.
अच्छा महाराज आपके यहाँ पर हम लोग घूम के देख सकते हैं।
हाँ हम कल ले जाएगा आप लोग अंदर पूरा पैलेस का राउंड कराएगा। नो आउट वाइट आउट।
Why? What's? Oh, ये तो लंगड़ा है ना?
हाँ यागी को